Hello guys, it's Dale here with a new analysis video. Just a quick note before we begin. There is a special Halloween sale, 52% down on my best educational and indicator packs, and that sale is ending today. So I just wanted to mention that the 52% discount is on my order flow pack, which you can get in here. Let me show you real quick. So if you click this, it will take you to a page where there's a video which you can watch. It will show you everything the order flow pack includes. In short, it includes order flow software, order flow video course, and volume profile software. Now the other pack that is 52% discounted is called the Elite pack, and you can get it in here if you click trading course and tools. So if you scroll down the page, you can get the Elite pack in here. There is a video that shows everything that's included in the Elite pack. The Elite pack focuses on teaching you how to trade with volume profile, so it includes volume profile video course. Also, it includes my personal trading levels, which you'll be getting twice every day, pack of volume profile indicators that I developed, and a couple of bonuses. Now, apart from all that, what you are going to get with the order flow pack and the Elite pack as well is free tech support. And what that means is that our tech support will connect to your computer, install NinjaTrader 8 platform, indicators, workspaces, connect you to data feed, and he'll do it completely for free, as that's part of the service that we provide to the Elite pack and order flow pack members. All right, so that's about the special offer, which is ending today. And let me now switch over to charts and talk about the trading ideas. So what you see before you is a chart of New Zealand dollar, US dollar. You are looking at 30-minute chart. And what I want to talk about in here is a trend setup which occurred within this uptrend, and it points to this strong support, which is at 0.5749. If you use volume profile over this trend area like this, then you can see that there's a significant volume zone right there within this uptrend. And this volume zone is telling us that buyers who are pushing the price upwards are adding to their long positions in here. Right? This is the place where we see the volumes. That's where they were adding to the longs. And I think that when the price makes a pullback into this support zone again, there'll be a reaction as the buyers from here will be defending this heavy volume zone, as it is clearly important for them because they placed a lot of their longs here, and those guys will want to defend this place and push the price upwards from there again. Right? Now, as you can notice, there are two bumps on the volume profile, this one and this one. I'm more interested in trading the lower one, trading from here, because this is where this aggressive buying activity started from, right? This is the open drive. I talk about the open drive in my volume profile book, which you can download for free on my website. So that's why I slightly prefer trading from this volume bump rather than from this one. All right. By the way, there was also another significant volume cluster in here, and the price reacted to it very nicely. Also, there was a nice confluence of this volume cluster and the first deviation of VWAP in here, right? So this was nice combo of two trading setups, which I teach in my Elite pack course, and nice reaction from there. All right, but this level has already been tested. The price has already reacted to it, so I won't be trading this anymore. The next strong support in line is this one, 0.5749. All right, so that's for the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Let me now switch over to another chart, another trading idea, and the next one will be the Euro Canadian dollar. So this is the Euro Canadian dollar 30-minute chart. And what I want to talk about is my favorite volume profile setup, which is called the volume accumulation setup. With the volume accumulation setup, what you want to see first is a rotation like this, and then strong trend. like this. What you do next, you use volume profile to look into the rotation area, like this. It will show you the volume distribution within this rotation area, and very often you will see that there are massive volumes accumulated within the rotation area like this. Where I want to trade from is here. This is where the heaviest volume zone begins, this one, and it is at 1.3659. right? This is a strong resistance, and I think this is a strong resistance because those sellers who are pushing the price downwards aggressively from here, from this rotation, were most likely building up those shorts in here, in this rotation, before manipulating the price to shoot downwards, right? So this is an important zone for the sellers, and when the price reaches this zone again at some point in the future, the beginning of that heavy volume zone, then I expect a reaction. I expect that sellers from here will become active, and then they'll start defending this heavy volume zone where they placed a lot of their shorts, and I think they'll push the price downwards from there again. All right, so that's the volume accumulation setup on Euro Canadian dollar, which currently shows a strong day trading resistance. Now let's go and have a look at another trading idea, and the next one will be on the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. So now the chart shows the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar 30-minute time frame, and what I have in here is a trend setup, the same setup I was showing you on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Let me zoom it in a bit so you can see it better. The trend setup in here is within this uptrend, and this is the significant volume cluster formed within this uptrend. So the beginning of that heavy volume cluster is in here at 0.7863, and this points to a place where buyers who are pushing the price upwards were building up their long positions, right? So they were building up their longs in here, and this is why this zone is important for them, and that's why they should defend it. So it is a strong support, and when the price makes it to this support, it is likely that the price will react there, because buyers from here will be defending their longs and pushing the price actively and aggressively upwards. Right? So this is the volume profile setup. One more thing that adds strength to this support is the fact that the price reacted to this zone in the past, right there. And because it reacted to this zone so sharply, it is telling us that it worked as a strong resistance in the past, right? This zone. What happened next was the price went past that resistance with those huge volumes, and that resistance turned into a support, right? That's what happens when a strong resistance gets breached and the price starts to move above it. The resistance becomes a support, right? The same level. So this former resistance became a new support when the price blew past that resistance. And as you can see, it is at the same place as we have that significant volume cluster in here. Right, so it adds strength to our level, to our support, and for those two reasons I think that this is a strong level to trade from and that the price will react there. Alright, so that's the support on the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. Before I wrap this video up, what I want to do is announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest was flexible volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4 platform, and right now on your screen you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner. What I'll do next is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate in this contest is just leave a comment below this video that I'll upload on YouTube, and the next week I'll randomly pick one person to win my volume profile indicator. Alright, so that's about that. That's about this video. I hope you guys liked it. I'll be looking forward to seeing you in some next video or in our members area. And until then, happy trading.